kisses everywhere. Oh, look! I think I know who these are for. Do you get bubbles?
Yeah, bubbles.
Just bring it to bubbles.
Need that bubble. Need that bubble. Boy.
This way.
Need ball.
There you go.
Need that bubble.
That's the trip to the falls.
That's what the funny thing is.
Hey, Isabel, I think I found yours.
And all the
No.
and there's some pictures.
This is from
here.
Doris. See, it's the egg.
Oh no, Meme made that.
Oh, really? Wow, found them there. Oh, yeah, look what Frank found. Blowing sticks for the bubbles. More bubble stuff.
Oh, I
Trip
love
to the falls.
bubbles.
Oh, we got one of the big ones. You just noticed that.
Yeah.
Double.
I remember those in duplex. Remember when we got those and I got the airplane and Frank got whatever it was?
I think this is yours.
Isabel, look
The
here.
only problem is these big ones aren't covered with chocolate.
Good girl.
Oh, this is the one my grandma gave you. A new dress.
Is that a dress?
Might be a little small.
Oh, it's a shirt set.
Oh, sure. That looks pretty good.
Is that pretty, Isabel?
Well, we need
On your car. Going.
chocolate.
Look at this pretty box with stickers.
Oh.
Red.
Red. You get enough. Oh, look at the bunny you got.
Red. It's a giant Kinder Surprise. Oh, there's real chocolate.
No, duh.
The other ones didn't have real chocolate.
They did.
Isabel, dance for Meme and Grandpa. Dance one more time. Woo!
I did too.
Rainbow. My bubble. Rainbow, my bubble. Rainbow, my bubble, mommy. Rainbow, my bubble. Rainbow, my bubble. Rainbow, my bubble. Rainbow, my
Ask Brent to
bubble.
take you outside. Mommy's going to download this.